How much does a dream cost? How much does it take to make a mother happy? How about a child or a family?
Kinabukasan para sa mga bata, yun ang importante talaga para sa
Kaya pulis! Ano pa ako? Piloto. Sundalo. Sundalo. Ano ko ano? Sundalo! Teacher. Maging singer.
makatapos ng pag-aaral.
Para magkaroon din ng kinabukasan, magandang kinabukasan.
Magkaroon sila ng magandang kinabukasan. Makatapos ng pag-aaral.
Pag-aaral para makatapos.
Sana kung may pera ko para maano ko ng mga apo ko, matulungan ko sila.
Yung meron mong skills, yung matching yung matching ng skills at saka ng available job. Hindi lang naman problema ng tumana yan, Problema yan ng buong bansa. Pero kung in terms of percentage at saka yung effect, nararamdaman masyado yan dito sa tumana dahil malaki ang unemployment numbers namin.
Okay na maganda, mabigyan mo ng trabaho.
Kasi may mga magulang dito na siyempre walang ginagawa. Yung iba, sugal na lang ang pinaglilipan. So mas maganda yung gano'n na pagkakakitaan. Para hindi na rin mag-a-approach, para yung mga anak dito, pagkaganyang livelihood, nakakatulong.
What if you could offer families around Metro Manila a chance to choose health? And what if you could help save the earth in the process? What if you could help fight the floods that damage the buildings, the homes, and the lives of a community?
The SHOE project would give the mothers of Barangay Tumana the chance to better provide for their families. Our livelihood program would equip them with the skills, development, and business training they need to produce a viable, eco-friendly product. By partnering with the body shop, we would be generating additional income that could improve the quality of life of a community.
Mothers in Barangay Tumana will be taught to make insect repellent soap, and the revenues would go to continuing operations and expansion of the production. Citronella grass will also be planted along the riverbanks to help prevent flooding and dengue and to later be used as raw materials for the product.
Hand in hand we can work together, work for a better tomorrow. How much would you pay to change a life? How much would you pay to make a dream come true? It's all about choice.
It's about choosing right. Choose Barangay Tumana. Choose a sustainable path to developing a community in need. Choose change.
Control the situation.
Alter the outcome.
Delete the problem.
I am a change maker.